Are you searching for the best air fryer in online? There were so many brands and models that you got totally confused. So, I started this channel to explore and share the best options with you. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with our smart air fryer, where crispy perfection meets healthy living. Fry, roast, and reheat with little to no oil, all at the touch of a button. We have done the research for you. Trusted platforms like Amazon customer reviews, Flipkart reviews, Trustpilot ratings, Quora questions and answers, and even Walmart reviews, everything to help you choose the right one. We're comparing the best kitchen chimney brands, Cookwell, Anolser, Kent and Philips to help you find the perfect one for your needs. We'll begin with cooking capacity, because size matters when you're preparing full meals, hosting guests, or simply batch cooking for the week. Cookwell offers a spacious 5-liter basket, perfect for medium to large families of 4 to 6 members. Philips and Kent follow with 4 to 4.1 liters, ideal for nuclear families. Anolser, with its 3.5-liter capacity, suits solo users or couples who cook in smaller portions. Your family size directly impacts which air fryer fits your lifestyle, because using an undersized fryer for a big family leads to endless cycles. Cookwell accommodates larger families with ease, thanks to its 4 to 6 member capacity. Philips and Kent are both optimized for 3 to 4 members, a sweet spot for typical households. INALSA is a compact solution for 2 to 3 people, or for secondary use in a larger kitchen. Power rating isn't just about speed, it's the muscle behind even cooking, crispiness, and overall efficiency. Philips, Anolser, and Cookwell each boast 1400 watts, ensuring fast preheating and powerful air circulation. Kent slightly lags behind with 1300 watts but still performs well for regular home use. If speed and heat intensity matter, go with the 1400 watts models. A wide temperature range gives you culinary freedom. From low temp baking to high heat roasting, all 4 models offer a solid 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius range, covering everything from dehydrating and warming, to crisping and air frying. That means you can roast vegetables, bake cakes, or air fry samosas without needing a separate appliance. Time control is crucial, not just for cooking variety, but also for precise meal timing and pre-scheduled prep. Anolser and Cookwell lead with a 0 to 60-minute timer, ideal for longer bakes or roasts. Kent and Philips provide a 30-minute cap, which works for quick meals, but may need resetting for extended cooking sessions. More time means more flexibility. Forgetful moments happen, so auto shut-off is your silent kitchen guardian against overcooking or wasted electricity. Thankfully, all 4 brands come equipped with this safety feature. Whether you're distracted by a phone call or multitasking dinner prep, the auto shut-off brings peace of mind and prevents burning your meals. The inner mechanics of your air fryer should stay cool under pressure, literally. That's where overheat protection steps in. All models, Cookwell, Anolser, Kent, and Philips, feature overheat protection, keeping the appliance safe from internal damage and extending its overall lifespan. It's a must-have for safe and durable daily use. Preset menus make you feel like a chef. Just press a button and let automation do the heavy lifting. Anolser shines here with 8 smart preset modes for fries, cake, meat, and more. Cookwell, Kent, and Philips require manual temperature and time setting, still flexible, but not as convenient if you're new to air frying. Cord length might seem minor, but it determines how and where you set up your fryer in the kitchen. Cookwell provides a generous 1.2 meter cord, giving you more positioning options on your countertop. Anolser, Kent, and Philips each offer around 1 meter, which is sufficient for standard setups but could feel restrictive in some layouts. A grill rack means double layer cooking, more food in less time, and better airflow for crispiness. Unfortunately, none of these 4 models include a grill rack. While you can still cook efficiently, multi-layer or stackable cooking will require accessories purchased separately. Let's face it, if cleaning is a chore, you'll use the fryer less often. Easy cleanup means consistent use. All models score well here, with removable baskets and non-stick coatings that make cleaning a breeze. A quick wipe or gentle scrub is all you need, ideal for daily cooking without added hassle. A non-stick surface is non-negotiable. It keeps food intact and cleaning fuss-free. All 4 fryers come with non-stick baskets, ensuring your food doesn't cling to the surface. From marinated tikkas to cheese-stuffed cutlets, enjoy minimal oil and minimal mess. A product made in India means quicker support, better service access, and often a better match for our cooking needs. All the featured models, Cookwell, Anolser, Kent, and Philips, are proudly made in India, supporting local manufacturing while ensuring tailored design for Indian households. Build quality isn't just about looks, it's about reliability, finish, and long-term confidence. Philips stands tall with excellent build quality, promising longevity. Anolser is close behind with a very good rating. Cookwell and Kent offer decent quality, suitable for everyday use but not as premium in materials or fit. Good service is like insurance. You hope you won't need it, but it must be reliable when you do. Philips and Kent shine with excellent service networks across India. Anolser is rated good, offering reliable but slightly limited support. Cookwell, while functional, has moderate service coverage, better in metro areas than rural zones. Your budget sets the stage, but what you get for that price is the real story. Prices vary by seller and time, so always check current listings in the description. Just remember, higher price often brings better build, warranty, or features. Choose based on your specific usage, not just numbers. Warranty coverage shows how much faith a brand has in its product, and gives you peace of mind. Philips offers the best deal with 2 years, 1+1 via registration. Others, Cookwell, Anolser, and Kent, provide a standard 1-year warranty. If you're looking for long-term security, Philips leads the pack. Numbers don't lie. Customer ratings reflect real-life performance, ease, and satisfaction. Philips leads with a 4.5/5 rating, winning consumer trust with consistent quality. Anolser and Cookwell follow closely with 4.3 and 4.2. Kent is a reliable option at 4.1. Overall, all 4 are well received in the Indian market. Lastly, when it comes to price, to check the latest models and current prices, just click the link in the description. We are committed to reviewing only well-rated, reliable products, no cheap or poorly rated items. We avoid recommending low-quality items that don't last. Choose us for honest reviews focused on quality, performance, and value. As we look at the top 4 brands, remember that the items inside the box can be different. Some give only the main product, while others add extra things, so always check the details to know what you are getting with each brand. Your subscription is more than just a click, it's a vote of confidence that motivates us to keep creating valuable videos for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel.